Namaste Karnataka, welcome to TIDI Academy Post Market Analysis. As we can see in Nifty, we had a gap up of 45 points. So as you can see in the previous trend was continuously bearish. Today also the market went down in the first session. So after that it took a support around 19,625 and it returned back to the today's first candle high nearest. So market almost testing 19,700 level at the top side. So in any of the case, like on tomorrow, if market opens on the higher level, means gap up happens based on today's close. So as we can expect the market to go upside. Why? Because most of the people, they will be keeping the stop loss at this level, so which is around 19,700 level. When the market opens more than like 19,700 above, these people, those people's stop loss will get triggered. After that market will move like at the higher levels. So next immediate resistance what we can take it as, so at 19,775 level, this will act as resistance 1. Or else if the market opens flat and if it moves down, or if it tries to come down and after that it breaks today's low, we can expect further downside movement in Nifty. So one more information is like, as you people can see here in market, Nifty is making one channel. It was completely downtrend to sideways. So today it broke that channel and it's making a retest of that. On tomorrow, if these levels are broken, which is 19,700, we can expect further upside move or the trend reversal that can seen in Nifty. Or else if it opens flat and if it continues and if it comes inside this range, we can expect further downside movement, and this will act as strong support also, so which is at 19,620 level. So tomorrow if the gap up happens, we can expect further up move, or else if it's open flat, we have to check whether this important 19,700 level that will break, or from that again the sellers will come and they will push the market to the downside. So now we will check with the Bank Nifty chart. So in Bank Nifty also gap up happened. So after that, here what we can see, the gap up. So after that market continuously moved downside till the level 45,600. So on tomorrow this level will act as support level, so based on where the market opens. And one more thing is like, this level will act as important support level for tomorrow also, which is at, so 45,900 around level will act as strong resistance. If market opens flat and if it breaks this high level, we can expect further up move, so which is around the level which is at 46,150 level. This will act as resistance 2. Or else if the market opens flat and if it breaks today's low, then it can move further downside. And even in Bank Nifty also, as you can see, it's completely in one channel. It's completely in one channel. So on tomorrow, if it breaks these higher levels, these levels will act as strong resistance levels, so which is at around 46,300 around level and 46,100 level. In further days, after opening gap up or opens flat and if it breaks the level, these levels, we can expect further up move by retesting all these higher levels. Now we will check with Fin Nifty. So in today Fin Nifty also opened a gap up. So after that it took previous swing as a resistance. So after that it made a bearish trend. So in the second half, it it took the support at 20,400 level. So after that, it recovered half of the fall which was happened today, and then it closed here. So on tomorrow, 20,400 will act as strong support level for today's low, and on the higher level 20,600 will act as strong resistance level. So on tomorrow, flat opens, and if it breaks this high, we can expect further up move in so Fin Nifty, or else if it opens flat and breaks these lows, so which is around 20,480 level, then it can move further downside till 20,400. So after that, we have to check which type of candles which is forming at this higher levels and lower levels. After that, if it breaks, then it can move further down, or else if it breaks at the higher levels, it can move further upside also. Now we will check which are the stocks which has given bullish today. So here what we can see, Hindalco, JSW and Tata Steel, they have closed very good range with 4% and 3% upside move. So now we will check with Hindalco stock. I have taken 1 day time frame. So this stock is completely in one uptrend. So now it is completely at the higher levels with the resistance of 450. Today it made a very big bullish movement. So after that, it closed at the higher levels. On tomorrow, if it breaks today's high and if it continues to move by retesting, we can expect further up move in Hindalco also. So and one more stock is Tata Steel. So how the Hindalco has formed, like the same way Tata Steel also making a very big bullish movement at the higher levels. On tomorrow, if it breaks 120 level and if it moves continuous on the upper side, we can expect further up move in Tata Steel. Why? Because it's already in complete uptrend. So now it's in resistance level. So after breaking strongly at the higher levels, so with 120, we can expect further up move in Tata Steel. So if you like this video, please share, like and subscribe. See you in the next post market analysis. Thank you.